Google Nano Banana? What kind of model name is that? But it is a cutting-edge AI-powered image editing tool inside Google Gemini application itself, and it delivers unprecedented consistency whenever we are dealing with things like image generation, image modification, image regeneration, and blending, etc. And it performs the best whenever subjects of our images is like people and pets and so on. But from outside it may look like it is a fairy tale, but it is actually not. This thing comes up with a lot of shortcomings, like it cannot resize image from 9:16 to 16:9 and so on. It cannot reimagine human face to different parts of a particular image and so on. I have tested all of those things in this video, so yeah, let's dive in. So now we'll see how we can use this thing for advertisement and marketing purposes. For that, I'm gonna use picture of Apple MacBook Air. I'm gonna take a screenshot and upload it here. And I'm gonna take another screenshot and upload it here again. Then I'll give the prompt. Show me the banner ad of this MacBook Air near a bus stop, and also use very powerful tagline. So now see, it is getting cooked, and it doesn't even take more than 30 seconds to generate. And yeah, as you see, the thing has been generated and they're advertising. As you see, the thing has been generated and they're advising that if you don't get enough good result, then give it more context and so on. So this is the picture has been generated by Gemini. So yeah, you see how perfect is this one, right? It has also given the tagline, unleash your potential and so on. Okay, and I'm gonna try it for one more time, and I'm gonna add prompt, that is create a subway ad with this MacBook and use a quirky one-liner. Now let's see. Okay, as you see, this has been generated within 30 seconds. This is really very fast. And yeah, so this is the ad, and this was the previous one. So yeah, now let's dive into the next section. In this part, let's see how we can design YouTube thumbnail at just one prompt. Okay, so I have uploaded this image, and the prompt I had given was create a thumbnail for my YouTube video, write 5 instant use cases of Google Nano Banana, and also use my picture that is attached, that means this picture, and feel free to modify my image according to the design of that image. So it has generated this picture within 30 seconds, and then I asked it to make it 1920 by 1080. So it didn't happen. The resolution was the same, it didn't change it. Then I have tried another prompt, that is make the resolution 180 by 1920. Then again no change. So that is how it works. And next, let's copy a thumbnail from YouTube. Now let's check how we can create a YouTube thumbnail from existing thumbnails. let's say I'll take this thumbnail from Varun Maya, and I'll take a screenshot and upload it here. Then I'll upload my photo. So yeah, I have uploaded my photo and added this example YouTube thumbnail. So I'll add prompt here. So in the first attached image, which is a YouTube thumbnail, replace the person in the thumbnail with the second photo of mine. Second attached photo of mine, and I'll select tool as create image. So let's see what it does. Oh, what's wrong? Did it work? No, it didn't work. So I'll have to do the thing from scratch again. So yeah, I have uploaded the pictures again and with the prompts, with the prompt, and let's see what it does. I hope it works out. Uh, Here is the updated, has been done by Gemini. So yeah, this is it, as you see. Do you think they have got confused with first attached image with thumbnail? Should I try it again? Hmm, let's try it. Certainly. It worked quite well, but my face is not exactly what I look like, and the resolution is 180 by 1920, not the one suitable for YouTube thumbnails. So yeah, that is how it works. Let me ask it, can you make the thumbnail 20 by 180 pixel? No, it didn't work out. So yeah. So now in this part, we'll see how we can see different perspective of real life places from the map. So I'll take a screenshot of this place, which is Gateway of India, Mumbai, and I'll add an arrow here, and I'll ask Gemini that I want to see Gateway of India from this perspective. So yeah, I've taken a screenshot and added that arrow, and come here, and I have uploaded that picture, and see, this is the prompt. How does the place looks like from the perspective of the given arrow? Okay, so yeah, this is the final result that has come, and don't forget to select image model from this section. So let's try another example, and let's go to London Eye. Okay, so this is London Eye, and I'll take the screenshot here, and I don't have time to add the arrow, so I'll upload it here, and I'll write the prompt as how does London Eye looks like from the perspective of the water element, water, what do I call it? Okay, from the Thames River. Okay, from the water of Thames River. Now let's see. Ah, what's wrong with you, man? Based on the memory. Okay, wait, I'll make it work. Hold on. Let's go to new chat. And I'll upload the screenshot again. Then I'll select image. Now let's see if it happens or not. See, now it works. And it worked perfectly fine. So yeah, that is how it works. And how does it look in the at midnight? Mm, damn, it's looking good. How does it look from the opposite part of the river, i.e. the land? From the land, that means I am looking for the perspective of this side. Okay, I hope it will generate the image. No, it didn't work. I think I am not very clear with the prompt itself. So yeah, that is how it worked, and this is the way it worked for Gateway of India. It's fine, almost fine. Now let's try something that I have heard but haven't tried yet. So I've heard that if you upload different random images and it can generate image of something meaningful. So let's add something. Dogs. Let's say jackets. Then let's add jungle. Then let's add guitar. Then let's add spaceship. What am I writing, man? Okay. Then I'll give the prompt as, can you generate something meaningful using all the attached image images. Let's see what it does. And whoa, but what is it hallucinating about? I didn't ask for it, but it does know that it is X-37P spaceship, and this is the image, which is not very meaningful, but okay, so I don't think this is something hallucinated. Uh, I think it has created a story. Okay, then fine, fine.